See, children, now we are going to focus on the second type of the present tense, that is the present continuous tense, or it is also called a present progressive tense. Progressive means one which is going on, progressing, and it is also called continuous because it is in continuity. Both are one and the same things. Present continuous or present progressive tense. What is the formula here? Remember, here also you will take, yes, one thing you have to remember throughout, that in the simple present and simple past, that is the simple of the present and simple of the past, not future, only the first two, simple present and simple past, you have to use no helping verb. Okay, clear? No helping verb in the present simple and past simple. Other all 10 types of tense will take helping verbs. So no need to get confused. Here helping verb will be is, am and are. These will be the helping verbs. Then you have to use ing form. Remember, continuity or progression is shown with the ing form of the verb. And which form will take the ing form out of the three? The first form. So first form of the verb, I am writing in short, first form of the verb plus ing. Okay, first helping verbs is, am, are. If it is present, is, am, are. If it is past, I will tell you that time and compare it with this. And then continuous or progressive, you have to always, whenever you find the word continuous, remember you have to use the fourth form. First form plus ing. And then the object and other words as required in the sentence. So here, see, your structure earlier was the same, like subject plus verb plus, you can see here, we have made the change only in the verb. Here it is helping verb, here it is the main verb, right? So only this part you have to learn. No need to learn the full formula if you are learning. Now come to the examples. I drink the milk. This was in the simple. Now if I tell you to change it into the continuous, what you have to do? Place helping verb, change this into fourth form, ing form, and then the object. Let us see with the same example. I. See, is used with third person singular. With third person singular subjects. Am is fixed with I and I only. With no other subject in the world you can use am. Only with I. And are with the second person and with the third person's plural subjects, more than one. These are the rules of using is, am and are. Like with I, what I have told you, am. Helping verb is used, then first form and main verb. Main verb we have drink. So drink first form plus ing, drinking. While teaching the main verb forms, main verbs, I have told you how to make the fourth form. First form plus ing and then the object, the milk. Similarly, with the second person, you have seen we have to use are. You are. Then drinking the milk as it is. With he, third person singular, you have to use is. Drinking the milk. Third person plural, are. They are drinking the milk. Now these are all what? Affirmatives. The sentence is in yes. But when we have to make the sentence negative, it is not necessary that I am drinking milk, you are drinking milk. If you want to say I am not drinking the milk, your mother has asked, are you drinking milk? You will say, no, I am not drinking the milk. Then how to make that sentence? We have already seen in the rules that we have to place the word not before the helping verb and the main verb. Here it is the helping verb. It is the main verb here. We have to place not here. This not. I am not drinking the milk. Here you are helping verb, main verb. not drinking the milk. He is not drinking the milk. So here we have to place not. Okay. Then negatives are over. Now we have to see the interrogatives. See how to make the interrogatives. If you have to ask somebody whether he is drinking milk or not, how will you ask? We have already seen in the structure of the interrogatives, helping verb is placed in the beginning and then subject and then main verb. So are is the helping verb, capital A, are. Subject is you. Then main verb is drinking. Then object, in other words, are you drinking the milk? Question mark. Similarly here, is he drinking the milk? Okay, is will come in the beginning. If I want to ask about myself, am I drinking the milk now? Sometimes we ask the things to ourselves also. May I do it now or not? So this way, am I drinking the milk? Question mark. Remember not to forget to put the question mark. Okay. Now interrogatives are also negatives. We have seen this is yes or no type of questions starting with helping verb. Now negatives are also there. So where you have to place the not? Yes, before the main verb. Are you not drinking the milk? Then is he not after the subject or before the main verb. Then am I not drinking the milk? This way. Clear? The concept is clear. If the tense, again we'll recall, revise, present, continuous. Present, so is, am, are for the continuous. And continuous word, progressive word is there. Remember ing form with the first form. So here it is over. For not, place the not between helping verb and main verb in the statements. In the questions, place the not before the main verb in the sentence and question mark at the end. So here finishes your present continuous tense. Now the problem arises, the very common thing, when to use. When to use. See, right now, this tense always goes at the present when we are speaking something, when the speaker is delivering something. So, right now, whatever actions are going on around me, I will all make them in the present continuous. Continuous means going on at the present time of speaking. When I am teaching, what I will say? Right now, what action is going on? I am teaching you. I am making a video. Now you are listening to me. You are watching my video. Whenever you will watch that time, you will be the speaker. What you will say to others? I am watching a video. I am watching a video. That time you will say, you will become the speaker. You will use I for yourself. So whatever actions are going on, like the sun is shining. Even I am speaking here, the sun is shining over there at his position. So whatever actions go on at the time the speaker is speaking something, that time we have to use present continuous. That is the meaning of the word continuous, going on at the present time of speaking. It is also called progressive. It is in progress right now that the sun is shining. Okay, so usage is clear. Okay, this here ends your present continuous tense. In the next lecture, we are going to deal with the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tense. Children, I am not making very long videos with all the tense together in one because the things will not be very clear to you. So I have divided my videos in parts, making short but very nicely we have to deal with, so that the things will be very clear for your life. Not to pass your examination only, but for your lives. Okay, thank you.